Namaste, Hamesha खुश रहो बिटिया. This is JB and Dr. Meenakshi Soni, Department of Homeopathic Repertory, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. This is digital version 2.0. This is our clinical class. Today I discuss a case of Boning Hassan Therapeutic Pocket Book. A lady, 48 years, suffering from the allergic rhinitis, presented with the following picture. uh, I discuss this case cause we can understand with the help of this case the Boning Hassan therapeutic pocket book. With the help of this case, we can learn how to work out on a case with Boning Hassan therapeutic pocket book. So now we discuss this case. A lady of 48 year suffering from allergic rhinitis presented with the following picture. Location, respiratory system, sneezing, constant coryza, aggravation, evening, summer, and aggravation after bath. Some accessory accompanying symptom, face red, blister-like swelling here and there. The problem is since from 5 years. And discharge watery, white color. Aggravation after anxiety. If she takes bath in the morning, symptoms do not increase. And she's taken anti-allergic medication. She feels like scratching, bitter taste, loss of memory, no thirst. But this year, these medicine are not working. Second symptom is the ankle and heels are painful since 6 months with swelling and can't keep down. Aggravation, first few moments, amelioration by hot bath. The third symptom is in knees, elbow and shoulder, shifting type of pain present. Some other information, patient is moderately built. As a student, she was very anxious. After 2 years of marriage, she had a male baby. Baby was separated from her on health ground, was sent to grandparents to be looked. She developed anxiety, palpitation at night, and sleeplessness. She joined a job to occupy herself and slowly overcome the difficulties. Now she is retired. Son is grown up and has become a very good engineer. Son is stay with grandfather and occasionally visits mother. Patient says he is more like a guest than my son. She is approaching menopause and feels alone through her husband care for her a lot. Mind, mentals are irritable, angry about vague things, anxiety regarding bad news, thermal reactions. Hot patient shows sweat not particular marked, craving for salt and pork and warm food and drinks and aversion to meat and cold drinks. Menses regular and scanty, and before menses feels irritated, weak, leg pain, and giddiness. So the discussion as per the Boni Hassan, the case has got distinct location, sensation, modalities, local, general, physical, mental. These are concomitant and clear mental state, indicating the therapeutic pocketbook as a suitable repertory. With the help of these symptoms, we can decide, or Bonigasan has decided actually, कि use the therapeutic pocketbook is good for that case. So the selection of rubric from the case, the rubrics and the reason in page number 1. So nose, location 45 page, joints, lower extremities 140, joints, upper extremities, that is also location 133. Sneezing, sensation and complaint is the chapter 49 number page. Coryza, sensation and complaint 46 page number. Arthritic pain, sensation and complaint 161. Anxiety aggravation, aggravation chapter 280 page. Menses before aggravation, this is also in aggravation chapter 109 number page. Evening aggravation, aggravation chapter 270 number of page. Summer aggravation, that is also 302 number page. Motion beginning aggravation, 292 number of page, and chapter is aggravation. Face erysipelatous redness. So this is found in concomitant and 52 number page, and bitter taste concomitant and 70 number of page. So the repertorial result is first medicine is pulsatilla, 57 marks and 13 symptoms covered by pulsatilla. Sulfur 51 marks, 11 symptoms covered by pulsatilla. Lycopodium 49 marks and 13 symptoms covered by lyco. And graphite is 39 marks, 11 symptoms covered by this medicine. Sepia 45 marks, 10 symptoms covered, and Serratia 41 marks, 11 symptom covered. And Calcarea Cow also covered 41 marks with 10 symptoms. Now we can do the analysis of the result and final selection of the remedy. So these six remedies which run closely the case, but the simillimum can only one. So therefore it is imperative to go back to the case and find out the simillimum. So from the case we know that the pulsatilla, sulfur and lyco, now three medicines running together. The patient is anxious. Whenever she faces a stressful situation, feels lonely, like warm food and drinks, and thus the lyco is finally selected medicine on the basis of the picture of the patient. So we can select the lycopodium 30 stat dose on tongue. If you want to see the case, so you can see again, the patient is hot, so lyco is hot, craving salt warm food, so lyco has desire for warm food, and menses regular scanty, aversion to sweet, that is not matched with lyco, but okay. And one another thing about lyco is lyco patient has more prominent symptom related to the extremities. Lyco has more symptoms related to the extremities. That's why we select lycopodium. So thank you. The topic is completed now. Hope you are satisfied with my this session. If you have any query, please mention in the comment box.